Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to attempt some basic questions based on properties of parallelogram. I taught properties of parallelogram in my last video, and if any one of you did not watch that video and want to know and understand the properties of parallelogram, which is very important according to our syllabus, so they can go and check out my last video and I will provide you the link in the description box. So let's start without wasting any time. So our first question is, we have to prove that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. It means assume that this is a rectangle A, B, C, D, and we have studied that in rectangle one angle is a right angle. So let's assume that angle A is 90 degree, and we have to prove in this question that all the angles of the rectangle is 90 degree. So what we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. So as we have studied that a rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is a right angle. We have taken angle A as 90 degree. So as ABCD is a parallelogram, so AD will be parallel to BC. AD will be parallel to BC. Okay. So now AB will act as a transversal here. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. How these two angles are 180 degree? These are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, and as these two angles are equal to 180 degree, each angle will be 90 degree. As we have taken angle A as 90 degree, so from 1, let's take this as 1. So from 1, angle B will be equal to 90 degree, and similarly angle C will be equal to angle A. Angle C will be equal to angle A, as these are opposite angles of the parallelogram. So angle C will equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. We have already proved, and angle A is already 90 degree. So according to angle sum property of a parallelogram, angle D will be equal to 90 degree. So we have to just prove that all the angles of the rectangle is 90 degree, and we have already proved that all the angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. So this is a very basic question, but you can see this type of question in your exams. So you have to practice all the questions based on the properties of a parallelogram given in your textbook. So let's jump to our second question. In this question, the question is saying that show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. It means let's assume this figure as a rhombus in which AC and BD are acting as a diagonals. So we have to prove that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So as we all know that in a rhombus, it is a property of rhombus that all the sides of the rhombus is equal to each other. So all the sides will be equal to each other. Now in triangle AOD and in triangle COD, AOD, as you can see that in triangle AOD and triangle COD, these two triangles, we have to take these two triangles in order to prove that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So OA will be equal to OC. OA will be equal to OC, as diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so OD is equal to OD. OD will be equal to OD, as these two sides are common in between these two triangles, and AD will be equal to CD, as these are sides of the rhombus. Therefore, triangle AOD will be congruent to triangle COD by SSS congruency rule. You have to mention all the properties and all the rules on the basis of which you are solving your question. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. This gives angle AOD is equal to angle COD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. AOD will be equal to COD. It means this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. As these two angles are equal to each other, so angle AOD plus angle COD will be equal to 180 degree, as these are linear pair angles, and as these two angles will be equal to 180 degree, we can replace angle COD by angle AOD. As we have already proved that these two angles are equal to each other, we can replace one angle by another angle. So 2 angle AOD will be equal to 180 degree and angle AOD will be equal to 90 degree. So the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other, because we have proved that angle AOD is a right angle. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So guys, you can see these type of questions in your exam, and you have to solve this question by this method only, and you have to practice all the questions given in your textbook based on the properties of a parallelogram. And if you have any doubt regarding any topic or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.